Hey everyone, it's Amber here and welcome to another Stellar Guitarist guitar tutorial. In today's lesson, I am going to be teaching you such a special song, Now and Then by the Beatles. So a few days ago, my dad sent me the link to watch the short film that accompanied the song. And I must say I experienced quite a number of emotions when I was watching it. The song is very moving, it's beautiful, it's haunting, and it's got such a typical Beatles sound to it. And I've been thinking, what an amazing gift to receive a brand new Beatles song in the year 2023. It just makes the song that much more meaningful because I think it was so unexpected. Now, in this lesson, I'm going to be teaching you how to play all the chords and the strumming pattern. We're going to have to keep our guitar in standard tuning, and we're not going to need a capo for this song. So let's tackle the strumming pattern first. It's really straightforward, and we're going to use the same strumming pattern throughout the entire song. And it's going to sound like this: down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And we can count it: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And what you can do is to drive the song forward, we can accent beats 2 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So just practice on muted strings a few times before you start including any of the chords. Make sure you don't skip the step because you're wanting to get a really even strumming arm, and make sure that your ups and downs are evenly spaced. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So let's jump into learning the chords we're going to need in the song. We're going to start with the intro, and the intro has 2 chords. It's an A minor and a G6 chord. And I would use the 2nd and 3rd finger for the G6 because it's a really easy chord transition from the A minor to that G6. And it's going to sound like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch. Back to A minor and to G6. Next up we have the verse, and the first half of the verse is the exact same chord sequence as the intro. So we have an A minor to a G6, and we repeat that again. When we move into the second half of the verse, we're going to go from an A minor to an F major 7, which you can play with 3 fingers. But for this specific song, I really think that an F major 7 played with 4 fingers sounds a lot better. It's much fuller. And all you need to do for that is you move your 3rd finger up to the A string and you put your pinky in its place on the D string. And now you can strum 5 strings. So this is our 4-finger F major 7 chord. We're then going to go to an E for 2 bars and to A minor for 2 bars. Now, as you can see up on the screen, there is an A minor sus4. I really like to add this in on that first bar of the A minor, and all we need to do is put our pinky down onto the B string in the 3rd fret. And it just sounds really, really beautiful, and it echoes the same chord that is played on the piano when you listen to the song. So we have A minor sus4 before moving to that A minor chord. So if we put it all together, the verse is going to sound like this: a 1, 2, ready, go. A minor G6, A minor G6 again, A minor to F major 7, and minor, sus4, and A minor. Then we get to the chorus of the song, and this is going to require us to use a full G major chord. We're going to do that for 2 bars. We then move on to a B minor. I like to play the open chord for B minor. You can of course add the bar. But for this song, I'm going to play the 4-finger B minor chord, which we do for 2 bars. We're then going to go to E minor for 2 bars. And then to A minor, to a D. And we repeat that again. A minor to a D. So if we put the chords together in the chorus, it's going to sound like this. 1, 2, ready, and G. G again. To B minor. Repeat. E minor. And again. A minor to D, E, back to A minor, and to D. Now, if you enjoy watching my guitar tutorials here on YouTube, then I know you are absolutely going to love my guitar program, the Stellar Academy. Inside the program, I give you a step-by-step roadmap on how to improve your guitar playing skills so that you can learn to play all your favorite songs on the guitar with confidence and have fun doing it too. If you want to learn more, then click the link below this video and I would love to welcome you into the Stellar Academy program. Right, let's get back into the lesson. Moving on into the instrumental, this is where there is that beautiful slide guitar solo. We're going to be learning the rhythm guitar section for that part today. So we're going to be starting on a D minor chord for 2 bars. We're then going to go to a C for 2 bars. And that gets repeated again. D minor and to C. We're then going to have an E minor chord for 2 bars. A minor for 2 bars. And D for 2 bars. Before going to a D minor for 1 bar and G for 1 bar. So the instrumental is going to sound like this in total, starting on that D minor, 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeats, and to C. Repeats. D minor, minor, repeats, change to A minor, repeats, here we go to the D, repeats, switch to D minor, and change to G. And the last section that we're going to learn today is that outro. So the outro is going to start on a G6 for 1 round of the pattern. We're then going to an E, straight to our A minor. We're then going to do G6 again to an E. And then we have a timing change here. So what we're going to do is 3 down strums on A minor. 1, 2, 3. Before changing to a full G for 1 strum, to F major 7 for 1 strum, and E for 1 strum, before ending on that A minor. So the outro is going to sound like this in total. 1, 2, 3, 4. To E, A minor, G6, to E, 3 strums, 1, 2, 3, G, F, E, A minor. So now I'll be doing a full playthrough of the song. Feel free to play this back as many times as you'd like to. Go grab your guitar and let's go. Let's take it from the top. A 1, 2, 3, 4. Thanks so much for watching today. If you enjoyed today's tutorial, then I know you're going to love the lesson that is being suggested for you on the screen. Don't forget to like this lesson and to subscribe to my channel. Your support really helps me and it allows me to continue making lessons just like this one for you every single week. I hope to see you in next week's lesson. Have a really great day. Bye.